How to automatically move emails to folder in Gmail. Want Gmail to sort your emails into folders automatically? Here's how you can do that. So in Gmails, folders are called labels. Create a new label for your category. So to do that, go ahead and click on this create new label button at the bottom left, and that will take you here. So you can go ahead and enter a new label name, and then you can go ahead and nest the label under a specific label. So click the search options icon in the search bar, and this opens the filter settings where you define rules. So enter criteria like Sanders email, subject keywords, or phrases. This tells Gmail which emails to move. Check skip to inbox and apply the label. Choose your label so matching emails go straight into that folder. Click create filter and Gmail will now automatically move future emails that match your rules into the folder. Gmail filters keep your inbox clean by auto-moving emails into folders. Perfect for freelancers, students, and businesses.